Getting the indoor air quality just right in winter. It can be quite tricky to get the indoor air quality just right in your home during the winter months. Most of us tend to keep doors and windows closed in an effort to lower fuel costs, and this can lead to problems developing in the home. The air can become too dry, or sometimes it can become too damp. So what are the solutions for getting it just right? And is it something that's easy to achieve? It's not an easy task, and it does pay to seek professional advice before spending a fortune on the products that you may need or which might not be right for your home. Products that can help indoor air quality include humidifiers, air cleaners, dehumidifiers, and ultraviolet air cleaners. All have a slightly different purpose, and it can get pretty confusing. Humidification systems in the house. Humidification systems can be very useful during winter. Having the central heating on a lot tends to dry out the air in the home, decreasing home comfort levels. You probably noticed your skin becomes drier during the winter months, and you may be more prone to getting static shocks. Having a home humidification system helps alleviate these problems by adding humidity to the heated air. One of the nice side effects of this is that the heated air feels warmer, so it's possible to lower the thermostat while still feeling comfortable. This means you'll not only improve indoor air quality, you'll also be able to lower fuel costs. Humidifiers also help protect your home and its contents, as wooden furniture shouldn't be allowed to dry out completely, as it could crack and warp. Dehumidifiers are designed to do exactly the opposite and remove excess moisture from indoor air. These tend to be used in homes where there's a problem with mold and other pollutants that like moist air and may mask the problem rather than treating its source. Air cleaners can improve indoor air quality. Air cleaners can be fitted to your HVAC system and are the best way to help improve indoor air quality. There are lots of different types on the market, as some use ultraviolet light and are designed to remove different pollutants. Some are designed to destroy ozone, which is known to be a lung irritant. The top-of-the-line air cleaners will remove just about everything as far as it's possible. It's definitely best to seek professional advice, as a properly qualified installer will be able to help you select the best model for your home. Exchanging stale air in your home for fresh, clean air. It's necessary to get fresh, clean air into the home, even during the cold winter months. Air exchangers are designed to do just this thing, and some will vent stale air, while others will supply fresh air into the home. The best systems are more balanced and introduce fresh air into the home while extracting the stale air. They're also able to extract the heat from the stale air in the home before transferring it to the fresh, clean, cold air from outdoors, so you and your family stay warm and comfortable.